Hello everyone, welcome to maths video class 6 ratio chapter 11 exercise 11D, which we are already on 11D exercise, and now we have already solved question number 1 and 2 in the previous video, which was small, I know. Now we are going to start next question, that is question number 3, 4 and all. Okay, so first for solving question number 3 to 8 you need formula. Okay, so that formula I'll be sharing with you here. So that formula is this: the increased quantity B by A multiplied by the given quantity, and the decreased quantity B by A multiplied by the given quantity. Now you will be, actually I have written here question first. So let's see the question and then you will understand the formula. Okay, so question number 3 is increase 95 in the ratio 5 is to 8. Means you have to increase 95 in such a way that the ratio becomes 5 is to 8. Okay, so increase 95 in the ratio 5 is to 8. So now there are two formula, increased quantity and decreased quantity. As here there is increased quantity, so as here there is increased quantity, so here we have to choose formula A, that is the increased quantity is B by A multiplied by the given quantity. So the given quantity means this quantity, whichever quantity has to be increased or decreased, that is called the given quantity. And this, instead of A by B, see this is A and this is B. So formula B by A, that is reciprocal, multiplied by the given quantity. Okay, so here, since the question is increase, we are starting question number 3. Question number 3 is increase 95 in the ratio 5 is to 8. This is A, this is B. Okay, consider this way, and this is the given quantity. This is the given quantity. Alright, so the as per the requirement I am solving. The increased quantity is equal to B by A, that is B by A multiplied by the given quantity. The given quantity is this. Okay, so this is A is to B and this is the given quantity. And further, you know the division. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 19 eights are 152. Okay, so question number 4 I have given for homework. You have to use B formula, that is the decreased quantity, because question is decrease 275 in the ratio 11 is to 7. So since it is decreased is asked, you have to use formula B. The decreased quantity is B by A multiplied by the given quantity. Okay, it's very easy. Just you have to understand this. Actually, if you apply your brain, you will see that the increased quantity formula is same and the decreased quantity formula is same. So what you have to do is, what you have to keep in your mind is always take 5 B by A. That is to remember, this is very important. B by A multiplied by the given quantity. B by A multiplied by the given quantity. Whatever it is, increase or decrease. Because formula, if you'll see here, formulae are same. Okay. So see question number 5, children. Question number 5 is little different. It's not difficult, I said, it's different. Okay. So question number 5. Decrease 850 in the ratio 7 is to 16, 7 is to 6, and then increase the result in the ratio 5 is to 9. Okay, as usual, I am reading it very fast. So first thing what you have to do is please pen down whatever is given. Ratio, first ratio which is given is 7 is to 6, and decrease 850 in ratio 7 is to 16. This is what is given. This is the first step. Okay, and the second step will be, and then increase the result in the ratio 5 is to 9. This is the second step. Means what we have to do is decrease 850 in ratio 7 is to 16. So what formula we have to apply? The decreased quantity is B by A multiplied by the given quantity. Okay, after applying that you will get answer. you will get the decreased quantity, that is the result. So that result you have to consider as the given quantity and then this ratio. So it will be increase the result. Result of what? Result of this. Whatever answer you will get for this after applying the formula, that the result you have to take again as the given quantity multiplied by 9/5. Okay, we'll see it here. First, we have to solve this part. The given quantities and decrease in ratio. Okay, so decreased quantity, because it is given decrease. So the decreased quantity is B by A. B by A, that is 6 by 17 multiplied by 850. Why 850? This is 850. So 17 5s are 85. This 0. So 5 6 are 30. So 0. So the result is 300. Means what? The result for this came as 300. Okay. Now the second part starts. This is the second part. And then increase the result. Now here, since it is given, then increase the result. What is the result, children? Result is 300. So then increase the result 300 in 5:9 ratio. So apply increase formula. So the resulting quantity, you can write the increasing quantity is equal to B by A. B by A multiplied by the given quantity. This given quantity is the new result multiplied by 300. That is 5 6 60s are 6 9s are 54. So this 0 0. Okay. So such types of questions have two steps. So now let's see the book. You will understand 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th children are of same type, and I want you all to solve it yourself. Okay. So it's an homework. I don't say that solve today itself, but please you have to solve by yourself. You can see here. Decrease this way already we have solved. Same thing for 6, 7, 8. Decrease was solve this. We were using decrease formula. B by 8. Sorry, B by A multiplied by B by A multiplied by 850. Whatever result you get, that becomes the next given quantity. So B by A multiplied by the answer of this. Okay, same thing you have to do for 7, 8 also. Now let us quickly see 9th and 10th. That's also very, very simple. The number 850 is decreased to 500 in the ratio A is to B. Find the ratio A by B. Okay, so the number 850, the number 850 has 650 is decreased to number 500 in the ratio A is to B. So A is to B, I can write A by B. 650 upon 500, 0 with 0 gets cancelled. Do the division. 5 10s are 5 13s are 13 is to 10. Same way question number 10. Okay. So question number 10, if you will see, the number 800 is increased to 960 in the ratio A is to B. Find the ratio A is to B. So 960 upon, sorry, 800 A by B. A is to B means A by B, 800 upon 960. Do the cancellation, division, 0 with 0 gets cancelled. And 16 5s are 80 and 16 6s are 96. So 5 is to 60. 5 is to 6. Okay. So here children, we have finished this ratio chapter, and in next chapter we'll continue with the proportion because they are interrelated. So ratio and proportion we say always. Okay, so we'll start with ratio. We'll start with chapter 12, that is proportion. Okay, so take care and have a nice day. Thank you.